Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. One item in here. Stick oven liner. Thread nanny. And here's some warnings. Safe to use up to 500 degrees. Oven liner should not come in contact with direct flame. Oven liners must be removed from oven when using the cleaning cycle. For gas ovens, do not cover the hose where the heat comes out. Place the mat on the bottom, most rack, not on the floor or base of the oven. And then how to use it. When using this in a gas oven or electric oven with hidden elements, place the mat on the lowest rack, not on the bottom of the oven. When in an electric oven with exposed heating elements, place the liner at the bottom of the oven. You can bake directly on the mat itself. It can be cut to smaller sizes using a regular pair of scissors. Easy to clean. Wash it under the sink with soap and water, or put it in the dishwasher. Alright. No mess, no fuss. Non-stick, heat-resistant, reusable. Right. I open it up. Comes in plastic. There's some more information. And then here's the liner itself. Its size. And then here's some grips or handles. And yep. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.